Welcome back to my channel, Simply Family. How you are doing today? I hope you all are having an amazing day. Hope you're having an amazing week as well. Thank you all so much for your likes. Thank you for your comments. Thank you for your subscriptions. Thank you to my old and my new subscribers. I appreciate you all. God bless you all. I just want to take this moment and this time to say thank you all so much, because without you I wouldn't be here today. I want to thank you. You all can see that we have been monetized. I thank you all so much from the depth of my heart. I say thank you, because without you I wouldn't be able to reach this milestone. Thank you all so much. I appreciate you all. God bless you all. So with that being said, I'm going to move on to today's video. It's going to be Christmas makeup inspired with outfits in collaboration with HDsignatures. Please do me a favor by visiting HDsignatures to see what she created as well. Alright guys, so I don't want to waste too much of time. You all can tell I already did my brows off the camera and this is my bare skin. Alright, don't worry guys, I'm working on a skincare routine that I've been using lately. I know a lot of people have been asking me to do my update skincare routine. I am going to do it. You all know I like to tap into the season that we are. Whenever we're in a particular season, I tap into it and provide videos regarding to that season. Okay, but as soon as we are done with all this holiday going on, I'll come back with my latest skincare updates. Okay, all right guys, so without wasting much of your time, yes, before I move on, if today is your first time coming across my channel, please do not forget to subscribe and do turn on the notification post so as to get notified whenever I upload. And please leave me comments in the comment section. Let me know your thought about this video. Which of the outfit is your favorite? Thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you all in my next video. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year in advance. Stay blessed. Bye. Also, I have already primed my eyelid. Yes, that's why this place looks so like whitish like this. All right, because I already primed my eyelid with Urban Decay primer. That's what I use, and sometimes I use concealer, but most of the time I use this because I still have it in there. Yeah, anyway, I'm gonna be using these two palettes to achieve this look. Most of the time I like to use one palette, but I couldn't find what I wanted in this one, Juvia's Place Wala palette, so I went ahead and pick up this one. So all I'm going to be using Juvia's Place eyeshadow palette, and the foundation that I'll be using is the one I've used in the past. I'm not going to waste too much of time about that. It's the Kat Von D Lock-It-In foundation. All right, that's what I'll be using. The only new thing is this palette, and I already featured it in one of my videos, but I've not used from it before. So that's the only new thing, and the only new thing of course is this glitter that I'll be using. So when I'm about to apply this glitter, I'm going to show you guys so that you can be able to see how it blinks or how it works. All right, so the rest of the product that I'll be using are things I've used in the past, so I don't want to waste much of time over it. This look is all about the eyelid for me, and I believe it's going to be for you. We're not doing foundation tutorial, and it's going to be all about the outfit. You all know when it comes to my fashion and styling, I joke with it. I love it. It's my comfort zone. All right, anyway guys, without wasting much of your time guys, let's jump right into this video.
They call me him, no waiting I do it, make I'm not over me. Bangers and plenty, but he leave them and he chose me. Him say I see be no other girl fit overthrow me. I no go do you corner. Hey, you my true lover. Whether winter or summer, baby me no go freak out. I know you like Nkechi Jollof. I know you like my beans, you like my beans. I know that she giving you fufu. You put them for my soup, baby. What you gonna do? Yeah, listen. Listen, no time for tumbum tumbum. Umaka de jumbum jumbum. Forget your jumbum. No time for tumbum. No time for tumbum tumbum. Umaka de jumbum jumbum. Oh yeah, now tumbum tumbum. No time for tumbum. Tig bag bag. Tig bag bag. Tig bag bag. All because of Ileke. Share your baby know where you day so, where you day so. Johnny leave me follow Cynthia, and I don't know what to do. And he talk say I no do like the way Cynthia they do. Johnny give Uche belle, he talk say he want marry nene. Walk him kedi feneme. Johnny Mo, baby you go love him, your love is sweet like tangerine. Baby, you go hug me, your love is sweet like baby, baby, I go love you, your love is sweet like tangerine. Baby, I go hug you, your love is sweet like. Listen, alle, allele, 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 start the tangele, tupac.
So I'm gonna ahead and apply my first lashes. These lashes that I use is by Delia's Empire. This is the one called Cordelia. That's what I have on right now, and I already went ahead and applied my foundation. I told you all before, the Kat Von D Lock-In Foundation. That's what I have on my face, and the shade that I use is Deep 72, just in case you're wondering. This is the primer that I use today. It's a Photo Finish Smooth and Blur Primer by Smashbox. That's what I used, and also my highlights. That's I'm using NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer, Anti-Crease Concealer. That's what I have going on right here on my face, and the shade that I use is called Walnut Mid/Dark 2.6. So I'm just gonna go ahead and blend this, and I'll be right back. This is a BH Pro Studio Contour Brush. That's the one I'll be using, because that one can pack a lot, as much as I want. Yeah, so, and I'll go ahead and just leave that on my face for a little while I continue to work with the rest of my eyes. I'm not done with my eye, so we're going to continue in a moment.
Come on, I love you, no be mount, oh, no be mount, oh, eh. Love no be for mount, oh, no be mount, oh, eh.
I'm going to come in with this palette by Juvia's Place, and I'm going to be using the shade that is called Masai. There's the green shade right here, so that is going to be coming right under my inner eye rim.
Hear the sound of a tambourine, no. Talking drum and shakere combination. Hey, I'm taking. Oh no,
now that I'm done with that, to set my entire face, I'm going to be using this loose powder by Estee Lauder. I'm going to be using that all over my face to blend every shade of powder that I have there, the highlighter, my concealer.
Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh.
So I'm going to go ahead and use the blush by Juvia's Place as well. This one is the Sharon Blush Volume 1. So I'm going to be using the shade called Neo.
I'm looking for my journey. Maka say tumbum tumbum. Where is my journey? Hey, wombo lombo. Share your baby no.
Now this is the highlighter that I told you that it's new. I just got it. I've not tried it before. This is my first time trying it. It's called the Heroine Glow 2 by Juvia's Place. So that's what I'll be trying today, and this is how the inside look like. So let's go ahead and pop this on. Let's see how it's popping. I expected it to be popping. Okay, you all know I love blinks, I love highlights, I love shine. Okay, so yes, that's what I'm talking about.
Beats Entertainment. Hey yo, coach, do I wanna be the one who you believe in your heart is sent from heaven. There's a piece of me who lives in the gold because want to turn the music up? Or dig up on the dance floor, wanting some more? Come, Mr. DJ, want to turn the music up? Ay, Mr. DJ, song on the replay. Mr. DJ, want to turn the music up? Or dig up on the dance floor, wanting some more? Come, Mr. DJ, want to turn the music up? Ay, it's too late, and I can't wait for you to be gone. Cause I know about her, and I wonder how about all the lies you said that you would treat me right, but you was just a waste of time. Just a waste of time. I should've kissed you, I should've told you just